What I love most about Unbreak My Blonde is that after every use, it looks like I just stepped out of the salon. The biggest concern for me after any color treatment at the salon is figuring out how to maintain this color at home. I just got my hair lightened, and it's important to me to keep my hair strong and healthy after stepping out of the salon, which is why I love using Unbreak My Blonde by Matrix. Unbreak My Blonde from Total Results is a protective and straightening system for lightened hair. Its key ingredient is citric acid, which strengthens weakened bonds and revives lightened hair in between salon visits, leaving your hair looking fresh every single time you step out. Unbreak My Blonde is designed and tested on lightened and toned hair and can be used every time you wash your hair at home. It's super conditioning and my hair feels so soft and silky after every use.